Hey everybody, Cokeman 250 here, and this is my $10 bandsaw. I don't know if you can see that sticker on top right there. It says $20. There's a man that works at one of my accounts, and I talk to him sometimes, and we was just talking. I told him I was transforming my old barn into a wood shop. He said, I got a bandsaw that you need. I said, all right. He said he bought it at a yard sale for 20 bucks. It doesn't have a brand name on it. And it has a broke blade. Which this is the broke blade. And so he said he bought a new blade for it. But there's no instructions on how to put it on, and he couldn't find a brand name on it anywhere to look up how to do it. This is the blade that he included with the saw, $9.49. It's over $10 with tax. He said he'd take a $10 bill for this. Been sitting in his garage for a couple years. And I said, okay. So I paid the man $10, pretty much right there, I think, or next time I seen him. And then, I'm just guessing, 6 months to almost a year later, I stopped by his house to pick it up. The guy actually lives like 2 miles down the road from me. But it's one of them deals where I told him I'd catch him outside one day and I'd stop and pick it up. And, because I really didn't have the wood shop ready yet anyway. But anyway, I seen him outside the other day, so I stopped and picked it up. So, I lost this part of this video and had to reshoot it. That's why the lighting's better right here. And it's also why the blade is already on here, the band. The bandsaw blade is already on the saw. So you're going to see me messing with that and some other stuff. But here it is, my $10 bandsaw. Okay, so there's another adjustment screw on the back here, and I knew there had to be to loosen this so it would move up and down. So, let's see. Somebody. No wonder the other blade broke. I don't know what they got going on here, but it ain't right. I don't know if somebody's put extra screws on up here or nuts. Alright. Now I got some room. Alright, so found the adjustment screw. I'll bring it back whenever I get it on. Alright, I think I got it. There's about 5 things you got to line up at once with 2 hands. You need about 6 hands. I think I got it all lined up. This thing can actually take a bigger blade, a thicker blade, which I'll probably buy for it. It's a little old skinny blade, but it'll work for now. We're going to button this all back up. And we're going to give it an Ernest P. whirl. That's pretty nice. Got a nice plate on it here. Alright, we're going to plug it in. Let me grab an extension cord. Okay, so you guys are with me for the big, big tryout on this thing. I have not tried it. I just put the bandsaw blade on. First time I ever put one on. I didn't watch any YouTube videos on how to do it. I just used my common knowledge of how things work and threw it on there, and we'll see what happens. Y'all ready? You ready? Well, thing ain't been running a few years, so maybe the contacts were a little bit dirty on that switch. Seems to be running. We'll get a piece of wood and we'll see what happens. Alright, let's give this bad boy a try. Looks like it needs to be tightened up. Makes a good cut. So I'm going to tighten everything up a little bit more, put a little more tension on that blade. But man, $10. What a buy. So anyway, this Cokeman 250 from the land of the free and the home of the brave. God bless everybody. And remember, prep smarter and pray harder.